Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, March 21 to Saturday, March 27, 2021. These are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at the first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate toothpaste deal scenario 1. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Colgate total toothpaste, it's $7.98. It's on sale $3.99 each. Use one $3 off 2 Colgate total Optic White toothpaste digital coupon. This coupon is available on March 21st. Pay or roll $4.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. But you can make sure to check which Colgate Total toothpaste and this digital is attached with this deal. My next deal is select Colgate toothpaste deal scenario 2. If you have this 4 of $16 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. You can buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $15.96. It's $3.99 each. Use one $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 4 75 cents of Colgate Optic White Sensitive on Max Fresh printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.04 money maker. The Colgate coupon is limit 2 per account, so you can use the different account to print this coupon. The next deal is select Crest toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $2.99 each. Buy 1 Crest 3D whitening toothpaste. It's $2.99. Also, you can buy 1 Oral-B toothbrush 1 city. It's $2.99. The totals come out $5.98. But check which one it's included. Use one $2 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. Use one $2 of Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $1.98 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Crest toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $6.99 each. Buy 1 Crest Gum Detoxify toothpaste. It's $6.99 and also you can buy 1 Crest 3D whitening charcoal toothpaste. It's $6.99. The totals come out $13.98. Use one $4 of $14 Crest toothpaste toothbrush CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Gum Detoxify toothpaste digital coupon. Use one $3 of Crest 3D whitening therapy charcoal toothpaste digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is if you have this 4 of $25 any toothpaste toothbrush CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB and buy 2 select Crest toothpaste or toothbrush and get back $2 ECB. All of them has a limit 2 per household. Buy 1 Crest Gum Detoxify toothpaste, it's $6.99. Also, you can buy 1 Crest 3D whitening charcoal toothpaste, it's $6.99. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ, it's $7.98. Also, in this transaction, you can add Crest 3D whitening toothpaste $2.99 and Crest manual toothbrush 1 city, it's $2.99. but make sure you can check which one it's included. The totals come out $27.94. Use one $4 of $25 any oral care CVS CRT. Use 2 75 cents of Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. Use one $3 of Grease 3D whitening charcoal digital coupon and use one $3 of Greased gum detoxify toothpaste digital coupon. Also, you can use one $2 of Grease toothpaste digital coupon and $2 of Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. The total coupon is $15.50. Pay or roll $12.44 and get back $4 ECB for Grease toothpaste. Get back $5 ECB for Colgate Max Fresh and get back $2 ECB for Oral-B toothbrush and Grease toothpaste. The final cost is only just $1.44 or 24 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Original Mascara. It's $19.58. Also, you can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Lipstick. It's $10.79. The totals come out $30.37. Use one $10 of $30 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye Digital Coupon. Use one $3 of any L'Oreal Paris printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. Use one $3 of any L'Oreal Paris digital coupon. The total coupon is $18. Pay or roll $12.37 and get back $5 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost is only just $4.37 or $1.45 each. The next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB or buy 3 Neutrogena and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Facial Cleansing Towel Wipe 21 CT. It's $14.58. It's $7.29 each. Make sure to buy on the cosmetic section. Use one $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic digital coupon. Use one $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $5.58 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus 42-cent money maker. The next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. Buy 2 Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB or buy 3 Neutrogena and get back $10 ECB. You can buy 2 Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Stick. It's $35.98. It's $17.99 each. Also, you can buy 1 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe 21 CT. It's $7.29. Altogether, the totals come out $43.27. Use 2 buy 1 get 1 free Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Stick CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Neutrogena Face Cosmetic digital coupon. This coupon is attached with the makeup remover wipe. The total coupon is $38.98. Pay or roll $4.29 and get back $10 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $8.71 money maker. The next deal is cosmetic deal. If you have this $7 off 35 cosmetic CVS CRT. Spend $12 on Maybelline cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household and buy 2 Neutrogena cosmetic and get back $6 ECB or you can buy 3 Neutrogena and get back $10 ECB. You can buy 1 Maybelline Expert Wear Twin Eye Pencil. It's $4.99. Also, you can buy 1 Maybelline Lip Care product. It's $8.29. Also, in this transaction, you can add 3 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe 21 CT. It's $21.87. Altogether, the totals come out $35.15. Use one $7 off $35 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Maybelline New York product digital coupon and use one $2 of Maybelline New York product printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. Use one $3 of Neutrogena face digital coupon and use one $3 of Neutrogena face printable coupon on coupon.com. If you not print this coupon is still available on the coupon.com. Use one $3 of Neutrogena makeup CVS CRT. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $15.15 and get back $4 ECB for Maybelline and get back $10 ECB for the Neutrogena. Plus you can earn up to $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $1.85 money maker. The next deal is any Seek refill deal. Buy 2 Seek refill and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Seek Hydro Seek 3 refill. It's $24.98. It's $12.49 each. But make sure to check this one it's included or not. Use one $5 of $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Seek Hydro Seek 3 refill CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of Seek Razor or Refills digital coupon and use one $4 of Seek digital coupon. It's available on March 21st. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is Gillette and Venus razor or refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Venus woman razor. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $5 of $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Gillette or Venus razor CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Gillette Venus printable coupon on coupon.com. It's limit 1 per household. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. If you need the another coupon on for the Venus, you can check on the pngcoupon.com. The next deal is Seek Hydro Skin Comfort Grooming Item Deal. Buy 1 Seek Hydro Skin item and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Seek Hydro Skin Comfort Save Cream 6 OZ. It's $7.99. Use one $3 of new Seek Hydro Skin Face Wash or Save Cream CVS CRT. Pay or roll $4.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Garnier facial care deal, but this deal it's exclude this time micellar water. So make sure you can don't buy the micellar water. Buy 2 Garnier facial care and get back $5 ECB. Buy 2 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $15.58. It's $7.79 each. But make sure this one it's include or not, because like they say micellar water it's exclude, but they also exclude the wipe. So make sure before purchase you can make sure to check this one it's included or not. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar or Green Lab CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active or Green Lab product digital coupon and use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active or Green Lab product coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $7.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.58 or $1.29 each. It's exclude the micellar water, but check Garnier mask is included or not. The next deal is Select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 OZ. It's $19.98. Check this one it's included or not, because they say Select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Use one $4 of $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Eucerin lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $2 off Eucerin lotion digital coupon. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $11.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.99 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Iris Spring bar soap or soft soap body wash deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 3 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Iris Spring bar soap 6 bar. It's $7.98. Use one $3 off 2 Iris Spring body wash or bar soap CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $1 off 2 Iris Spring body wash or bar soap CVS CRT. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $3.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 99 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner deal. Spend $8 on L'Oreal shampoo and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 L'Oreal shampoo 12.6 oz, it's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Use one $2 of L'Oreal shampoo digital coupon. Use one $2 of L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is hair care deal. We have this week it's $15 off $60 hair care CVS instant coupon. So you can buy 2 L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner $9.98. Also, you can buy 2 L'Oreal Everpure shampoo. It's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Also, you can buy 3 Nexa shampoo. It's $37.47. It's $12.49 each. Altogether, the totals come out $64.43. Use one $15 off $60 hair care CVS instant coupon. It's available on March 21st. Use one $2 off L'Oreal shampoo digital coupon. Use one $2 off L'Oreal shampoo printable coupon. Use one $4 off Nexa shampoo or conditioner CVS CRT. Use one $1 off L'Oreal Everpure shampoo digital coupon and use one $1 off L'Oreal Everpure shampoo printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $25. Pay or roll $39.43 and get back $10 ECB for when you buy 3 Nexa shampoo and get back $4 ECB for when you spend $8 on L'Oreal shampoo and get back $5 ECB for L'Oreal Everpure shampoo when you spend $10. Plus you can get the $6 beauty reward. The final cost is only just $14.43 or $2.06 each. The next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 on household and get back $10 CVS gift card. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer. It's $19.99. Also, you can buy 1 Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT. It's $11.94. The totals come out $31.93. Use one $5 off $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use 2 $6 off L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Tide Pod digital coupon and use one $3 off $9 Tide Pod CVS CRT. The total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $8.93 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.07 money maker. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend $30 and get $10 CVS gift card. Buy 1 Tide Liquid 92 OZ. It's $11.94. Also, you can buy 1 Lubriderm Advanced Therapy Lotion 16 OZ. It's $9.29. Also, you can buy 1 Lubriderm Advanced Therapy Lotion 24 OZ. It's $10.99. The totals come out $32.22. Use one $3 off $12 any Tide or Tide Board CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use one $2.50 lotion digital coupon and use one $2.50 lubricant lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, you can use one $4 off $20 any lotion CVS CRT. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $17.22 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is only just $7.22 or $2.40 each. The next deal is all detergent deal. It's on sale $2.99 each. Buy one all laundry detergent 36 OZ, it's $2.99. Use one $1 off all brand laundry detergent digital coupon, it's available March 21. Also, if you have $1 off all laundry detergent CVS CRT, the total coupon is $2. Pay or roll 99 cents. The final cost is only just 99 cents each. The next deal, if you didn't do this deal last week, so you can do this Remedy Dermatology lotion deal. Buy one Remedy Dermatology moisturizer body lotion, it's 3 OZ, it's $4.99. Use one $5 off Remedy Dermatology lotion CVS app only coupon. Pay or roll nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. The next deal is select Gold Bond Aspercreme or Cortisone deal. Spend $12 on Aspercreme and get back $4 ECB. Buy one Aspercreme Pain Relief Dry Spray 4 OZ, it's $11.99. Use one $2 off $10 any pain relief rub or patch CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Aspercreme or Icy Hot CVS CRT. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $6.99 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.99 each. The next deal is any Hallmark item deal, because in this deal you can buy anything because it's a any Hallmark item. Spend $10 and get back $2 ECB. So you can buy 5 Hallmark paper bag, it's $2.94, it's 49 cents each. Also in this transaction you can buy one Hallmark gift box, it's $6.99. The total coupon is $9.93. Use one $4 or $5 Hallmark card CVS CRT. Also you can use one $4 of 5 Hallmark card CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $1.93 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. But make sure this one it's included or not. My next deal is 4 deals. Spend $12 on Oreo cookie and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Oreo cookie family size 10 to 20 OZ, it's $12. It's 3 for $12. Use one $1 off 2 Oreo cookie CVS CRT. Also you can use one $1 off 2 Nabisco cookie including Oreo Nutter Butter CVS CRT. The total coupon is $2. Pay or roll $10 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $7 or $2.33 each. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.